matching as well. This is also an important concept in Groovy. Okay, so yeah, so we will see that. So what are the pattern actually? So these are a combination of any particular strings, right? So it can be anything, simple character, it can be fixed string or something like a date format or a collection of digits as well, right? So we see that pattern and what does that meaning, right? So when you see this is ball, right? So it exactly meaning is this is ball. So it isn't having any other meaning. So now we are having a pattern like sum slash s plus text. So if you are already, I think, familiar with the regular expressions, right? So we are having some particular set of characters defined for uh, identifying some English characters, or either the numbers or either the variable, consonant, everything. So this is s plus. If you say this is the space, okay, so and then text. So what does this line means is the word sum followed by one or more white space characters. Plus means one or more, means there can be zero occurrence and sorry, there can be one occurrence and there can be many occurrence also, but at least one occurrence should be there. So one or more, okay, white space characters followed by the word text. So this our regular expression says that it should start with sum and then some space and then followed by the word text. This is the one of the regular expression we have. Then this expression, you can see that this is a date formatted as exactly first is the 2 digits, right? 2 digit, then again followed by two more digit, that is 2 more digit, then you are having 4 digits, right? D, so this D defines the digits. So after that you are having 4 more digits. So you can say a date formatted as exactly 2 digit followed by slash and 2 more digit followed by slash and followed by exactly 4 digit, right? So here you can see these slashes in between, right? These slashes. So these slash D defines the digit and this slash defines the format. Okay, then you are having DD, MM, YY, YYY. Okay, so this is our date format. So in this way you can define your regular expression or pattern. Now we can see how the Groovy supports natively for these expressions. Okay, so let's see. So first we will see that what you can do with the regular expression. So it can tell you whether the pattern fully matches with the whole string. So let's say you have given a complete one string, the welcome to Groovy Groovy training 2021. Let's say we have this string and then you want to see whether your pattern fully matches with the whole string. If you have given some pattern like your string is having the word training or not, your string is starting with some word or not, your string is ending with some number or not. So in this way you can do that. You can this thing you can achieve through the patterns. Then tell whether there is an occurrence of the pattern in the string, then you count the occurrences of that, and then you do something with that each occurrence. Means you want to perform some operation with each occurrence, then you replace all the occurrences with the some text. You want to replace, let's say you want to replace every the in the string with some other character or with some other word. So you can do that also, and you can split the string into multiple string by cutting at each occurrence. So you can perform all this operation. So we will see that during our complete course that how we can use all that thing, and in advanced business scenarios also we will see some of the scenarios related to this. Okay, and so in the Groovy natively we are having 3 different operators available for the pattern matching. So first one is the find operator. So it defines like equals to and tilde operator, okay, and then we are having the match operator, that is double equals to and then again tilde icon, and then we are having the regex pattern operator. So it doesn't do anything, it just converts. So it provides you the instance of Java matcher class. Okay, so it converts any string into the regular expression. So you can just write tilde your string, so it converts that string into the regular expression. It treats that string as a regular expression. So these 3 operators we have for the pattern matching purposes. Okay, so let's see. So the pattern operator, right? So the tilde operator we see, which we discussed in the last, it's provide a simple way to create java.util.regex.Pattern expression. So in the Java, if you see, right, so there are different way of doing that, but when you define pattern, right? So when you define the pattern, then you need to initialize the pattern object and everything, and then you need to do it. But in the Groovy, it's very simple. You just write this line, right? We in the yesterday session we already discussed the slash strings. Okay, here we define our slash string. Let's say our example is foo, and then you just put tilde over that, then it converted into a regular expression. So in this way your pattern operator can be used. Okay, then we are having a find operator. So find directly, it returns a matcher instance. So it can be treated as a boolean also, but normally it return a matcher object. So but when the same statement used inside the if, okay, then it automatically uses the find method inside it and returns a boolean value. So we'll see that. Okay, so this is the find operator, and then we are having the match operator, that is double equals to slash. So this is slightly different from the find one. So in the find, that is not a strict matching from the string, means it can find the occurrence of O, right? So if you see this thing, right, so this is your string and this is your regular expression which you provided. Okay, so you want to find whether O exists within the Groovy or not. Okay, so what find will give you, it give you all the occurrences, all the instances of O within the Groovy string. Okay, but what match will do, it just say whether it matches with this or not. It just provide you the boolean value. So find you can treat in both the ways, and you can find the occurrences of O or not. You find the values also, but match you can use only as the return type, means as the boolean return type. You can use only in that way. So let's quickly see that in the IDE. Okay, let's create one more file. Patterns.groovy. Okay, let's define one pattern. Okay, pat. I will say that our word should start with A. Okay, we just define like this. Okay, now we see println. Okay, we are so we define, let's say, one string st equals to Aman. Okay, and then we use it here like st if equals to, and then we use our tilde operator. Okay, and then we use pat1. Okay, here you can see that we are using so what is this operator? This is find operator. Okay, this is not a match operator because we are having only single equals to here. Okay, let's see what it produces. Yeah, let me do Control Shift F10. Yeah, so here you see that it returns the matcher instance of this one, right? So this is not returns the boolean value. Okay, so it returns pattern is this, region 0,4, and last match is this. Okay, so it returns from the 4-character string. It matches at the 0th instance. It doesn't match it at any place because we have given the small a, and here we have given the complete a. So we can just see that in the if statement as well. So if, so we just put it here like this, if, and then println matched. Okay, we just do like this, execute it. I'm sorry for this. Okay, you see that it doesn't printed anything because I have given the expression that it should start with small a, but here my name is starting with the caps a, so that's why it doesn't matched. Okay, now I put it a and I save it and then I execute it again. Yeah, so now it printed matched because it matches with my expression, right? So in this way you can use this find operator, and also you can use it in this way. So because it doesn't return the boolean value, so let's see how we can use. So what we can do is we can write it like that 1 equals to this. Let's use that in one variable, take that in one variable, match. Okay, now we use string st, then we use our pattern operator, that is pat1. Okay, now it taken this as a inside the match. Now we print it, println match, then we print 0th occurrence. So we see what, so because it returns an array, so when let's see what it returns here. Yeah, so here you can see that it returns the first occurrence of this a. Okay, so now if you see, if you change it to 1, then it returns the next occurrence of a. Okay, so here you see that index is out of the range -1, and so it doesn't, so because my expression is hyphen means this icon then a, so it should start with a only, so it will not check for another a because the complete string should start with the a only. So that's why it doesn't return you the next occurrence of a inside this string. Okay, so this is the expression, and but if we just remove it and save it, then do Control Shift F10. Yeah, so you can see that it returns a because we are just finding for a, so it returns the second occurrence of a to us on the match one. Okay, so in this way you can use the find operator. Okay, let's quickly see here the match operator as well. We just put double equals to here and this, then we remove this, and what it say to us, so it just return the boolean value. Yeah, so you can see it is false. Okay, so because it is a strict matching, it's not a finding like a find operator, so it is a strict matching of a string. So I have given a and it is not matching completely with the string. So if I completely write here also, then it would be a strict matching, and then we can see what is the output for that. Yeah, now you can see the output is true, so it's a strict matching with that. So in this way you can use the match operator. It is very simple here, but in Java, if you compare the same code, you need to write 6-7 lines only for just to match a single pattern. So in this way, yeah, so we conclude our topics for today.